Printing a board in Monday.com allows you to create a physical copy or a PDF of your board for offline viewing, sharing, or record keeping. Here's how to print a board in Monday.com. Log into Monday.com. Open your browser, go to Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Open the desired board. Navigate to the board you want to print. Ensure it contains all the information you need, as this will be included in the printout. Adjust the board view. Before printing, it's useful to organize your board for better readability. You might want to collapse or expand sub-items, hide columns you don't need, or change the sort order. Access the print option. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the board's toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Print Board or a similar option. If you don't see this option directly, look for Export and then choose Print from there. Print or save as PDF. A print preview will open, showing how your board will appear on paper. You can use your browser's print settings to select the printer, set the number of copies, or choose Save as PDF to create a digital copy. Finalize and print. After reviewing the print preview, click the Print button to start printing. If saving as a PDF, choose the save location on your device.